Nobody expected a splash to sound like an explosion. Deep inside a quiet Honda test facility in Japan, a prototype rolled forward with no battery pack. No gas tank, no hydrogen cylinder, just water, no dramatic stage lights, no live stream, and somehow, within 48 hours, EV stocks were wobbling like a Jenga tower in an earthquake. Wall Street blinked, engineers froze, someone actually clapped for 5 straight minutes, which in Japan is basically screaming. Here's the wild part, this engine doesn't store hydrogen, it makes it on demand while driving. Water goes in, hydrogen gets split in real time, combustion happens instantly, and what comes out the back? Steam, not smoke, not fumes, just a light mist, like your car is politely exhaling. Rainwater, tap water, even seawater, 5 liters per 100 kilometers. No lithium, no cobalt, no charging stations, no waiting 40 minutes scrolling your phone while your car politely sips electrons. You pull up, connect a hose, and 3 minutes later, you're gone. If that sounds unreal, welcome to why people started panicking. This wasn't Honda being quirky. This was Project Aqua Drive. A program so quiet, it basically went into witness protection back in the late 2000s. While the world chased batteries, Honda engineers quietly chased chemistry. Prototypes worked, then they vanished. Not because they failed, but because the timing was dangerous. Too disruptive, too many industries at risk. Fast forward to now, battery fires, grid overloads, mining backlash. Suddenly, water doesn't sound so boring anymore. The revived prototypes didn't just work. They performed 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds, nearly 760 kilometers on a single water refill, maintenance simpler than gasoline, wear rates lower because nothing inside is choking on carbon. The engine doesn't age like batteries do, it just runs. And the cost? About a third of an EV drivetrain, operating costs under 1 cent per mile. At that point, fuel anxiety isn't a thing, it's a joke. So why isn't everyone cheering? Because water can't be controlled the way lithium can. You can't corner the market on rain. And when your entire trillion-dollar strategy depends on plugs, grids, and mines, a hose is terrifying. If even half of this holds up, electric cars don't get replaced. They get skipped. Sometimes revolutions don't roar. Sometimes they splash.